Hey everyone, it's Kelly the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome to the channel and to today's video and to my mess. Yeah, some people have a junk drawer. I have a junk couch. This is the area of the house that gets messy. It is the dump all. Every single thing on there is all my mess. I move stuff from room to room all the time, especially when the media is coming and you need to have a couple of rooms clean because they need areas for storage and equipment and lots of stuff. So everything got kind of moved to here and dumped really quickly. So we're gonna declutter everything that's here and clean it up. Feeling mega guilty because under on the floor is some containers of hubby's computer gear that I was like, let's declutter this and get it out of one of the other sections. And then there it sat. And it's so true. Don't ever touch anyone else's stuff. So I'm hoping that by decluttering and sorting out all of my mess, then it just gets easier to put away the other things. Anyone who knows anyone in IT knows that you come with bags and bags and bags of cables and boxes of stuff, and you never throw anything out because you might need it one day, even though technology is 10 years old. So anyway, we're going to start the timer. I'm going to see how long this takes me to clean. There's stuff that has to go in other rooms. Have a couple of boxes that I'll fill and then take those boxes, move to room. Otherwise I just get up and walk from room to room and back again. And while the exercise is great, it wastes time. So let's get started. I will speed some up and I will talk to you as well. I have a whole bag of receipts and papers that I cleaned out of the car and I threw them all in here. So that is a bag I need to go through later. And another one. These are books to go to my mum. She likes anything that says dead body or murder. So I'm going to put these in this bag and then go hang them up at the back door because then they're out of the way, ready. Oh, here's the 2 tripods that I've been looking for the past week. Exciting. The local tennis club gives away tennis balls and I grabbed some for a friend's dog, and here they are. So they also now need to go near the back door to take with me to Zumba for her puppy. I've been looking for this glove everywhere. I have a whole lot of these Woolworths little plants and seeds that people were collecting for me. Whole bags. Brilliant. I clearly should do something with them. However, I really don't think I'm going to be planting 4 packs of chives. I definitely, cabbage sugar loaf. I think what I'll do is I'll just take out the seeds and put them in little envelopes and put them for when I'm ready to plant, and throw this out because I'm told that these grow mold. So that will be a job for later. here's the shopping basket that the advertiser guy said, do you have like a shopping basket, like a little picnic basket? And I said, no. Actually, I think I said, somewhere. I don't know where that is. That needs to find a new home. If I wear this when I clean, does it help? Here's my whiteboard from Avon days. It actually belongs on this wall. When I started doing YouTube, I was looking for a clear wall to have as a background. It still has here some of the goal tracking and setting for when I achieved a trip to Sydney. The one right before we finished the year, so that was exciting. And I remember ringing hubby and asking him to read these numbers out when I was in Sydney because I needed to cross-check something. And here were all the video ideas I was going to do as a YouTube tutorial with direct selling, how to support customers, earn money, build your business. So I think this can get cleaned off. I'll probably just hang it up and it will probably sit here for another month or so, and then I'll start planning out YouTube videos for this. I think this needs to go in the shower. I bought it for my daughter because she has a bunk bed, and then this way she could put anything in there without having to get down. But she's graduated to us through other things. I think I'm going to put this in the shower so it will hold hubby's big shampoo bottle. So when he presses on it, the other one that we have tilts because it's only one single hook. This way it can remain pretty stable. Well, it's taken just over an hour to clean all of this and most of the mess that I made. I'm quite impressed that it didn't take as long as I expected. There is still a whole other mess that's here that will probably have to be a part 2 as I clean and declutter that. But yeah, I'm really happy with the progress that I've made, and I hope that hubby will be very surprised and happy when he gets home. Haven't thrown anything out that wasn't mine. It's packed away safely, so I'll be safe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You can check out my other massive decluttering kitchen video that I did. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!